In this video, I'll show you how to find emails of business owners, both large businesses and small businesses. So to do this, there are a couple of steps. First of all, the tool I would use to do this is called Apollo, since you can just use it for free for I think 100 email addresses per month, because one email address costs 1 credit and you can get 100 of them for free. But beside that, if you do need to start paying, then it's super cheap. You can basically get 30,000 email addresses for $49 per month. And they do also have a bunch of other features, but I won't go over that in this video. But basically, first you just want to create an account with Apollo. I'll link them down in the description where you can claim a free account. And after you create your account, you want to get the Apollo extension. So this works on Chrome. You can see it has a great score. Just going to install this extension. Now from there we can start using it. For example, here I have Pipedrive, a software company, a CRM specifically. Now if I want to find the CEO or owner of this company, what I would do is, after installing the Apollo extension and signing in, you will see this in the right menu. If you don't, just click on the extensions and open it up, and from there you will see this. Now you won't only see how many people work there, you also see a general phone number, location, subsidiaries, amount of employees, then the annual revenue, and how much money they have raised. But just go to the employees and click on view. There you will find all employees. Now I've already done my filtering, so I said here include CEO. What's probably even better is going to management level and just set it to either owner, founder, or basically the highest one that they have an email for. But for example, here we have founder. If I then click apply filters, we can now see here we have the co-founder and we have a personal coach at Pipedrive, and this person is also a co-founder. But here the CEO was someone else, so I could also just search for CEO and then select that right here, click apply filters and just remove the management level and then again apply filters. And then basically if they find someone, you can then click access email. Now just now it was finding someone for me, but I think I've already imported them onto my list, so therefore it doesn't show them again. But you can also do this in a different way. You can just open up Google Maps, for example, find a business such as this one, just go to their website, and then here the Apollo extension also works. So just click here and then go to the extension, or if it opens up, just click on it. And then in the side tab, you can again see their location, employees and revenue. Just click view on the employees and then here click on the filter icon. Then go to job titles and management level and just set it to the highest available. So I'll do C-suite and apply filters. Then here we have the CEO and Director General, with Global Marketing Director, Group CFO, CFO board members. So I can just find all of these people's email and name. So for example, the actual CEO here, I can click access email and then it will cost me 1 credit and it will actually give it to me. So here I've accessed this person's email and I can now just copy it. I can also just select this person and add them to my list and send them an email from right here. Now, as I said, you can do this for any business you want. They won't always have the information, especially for very small businesses, because then the owner may not even have a separate email. In that case, just find whatever email you can, because the owner probably will read it if they just have a couple of employees. Now again, if you would like to create your Apollo account, you can do so through the link down in the description, completely for free, and you can get 100 emails every single month, and if you want more, it will be very cheap. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.